Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you simple and easy way to roast your groundnuts or peanuts at home. Continue watching if you want to find out the easy step on how I roast peanuts at home. To roast these peanuts, I need salt, water and your raw peanuts. So I'll add the peanuts into a bowl. In another bowl, I have a little water. So I will dissolve the salt into the water. Please, you can skip this method if you don't like salted peanuts. Pour it into the peanuts. Then I will mix to combine. At this stage, make sure that you have preheated your oven. The liquid have touched all the peanuts. I'll be spraying the peanuts on the oven tray. After spraying the peanuts, I'll place the tray into the preheated oven and allow to roast. After about 10 minutes, I'll spray out the peanuts to roast the both sides, then put back into the oven. Finally, the roasted peanut is ready. You can allow to cool before peeling. Peanut is a great nut that you can use for snacking. You can use it for your peanut soup, peanut butter, eat it with roasted plantain, bread. You can enjoy peanut with your banana, popcorn, or soaked gari. I hope that this video is helpful and thank you all for watching.